Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. We're almost done with the week. Mood meter check-in. How are you feeling today? I hope everyone's feeling like the yellow ball, because I am. I'm happy the week is almost over. Let's move on to the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. All right, days of the week. First off, Monday, then Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. And then Saturday, and then Sunday. Today, we are Thursday, August the 27th, 2020. Let's practice the months of the year. We start off with January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Reminder to everyone, please stay active. Go out and get your 30 minutes of play, if not, possibly more, up to you. Exercise, have a good time, make sure you break a sweat. Today's agenda is IEP goals. Social skills lesson of the week. Remember, don't quit. And lastly, the teacher contact information. All right, Peacocks, let's have a great day now.